welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you a very sad news, a very sad news, and a very amazing and a very good news. Yes, guys. So guys, I would request you to please watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because when you hit the bell icon, whenever I put a video, you will get a notification. So guys, I don't want to waste more time and I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. Awesome. Saddest news which is coming from the Chalish Cruises. Yes guys, Chalish Cruises has filed for a bankruptcy. The news is old. It was in the month of October, and the reason was, you all know, the COVID, the pandemic. That is why they filed a bankruptcy. Now we're not able to see Chalish Cruises. But remember, in the start of a video, I said there is two news. One is a sad news, which is Chalish Cruises is no more. But there is another news also, which is a good news. Now the good news is that India is going to get another brand new cruise company which is about to sail in India. So guys, the ship name is Empress of the Sea, and the company name which own this ship right now is Cordelia Cruises. The name is little difficult, but it is the name, Cordelia Cruises. Now, when is going to start sailing in India? Now, the date, as per as sources and websites, it says 5th of June this year. So I hope everything goes well and we see Cordelia Cruises on Indian water, so we can sail and even we can work on it. This company has bought two ships, Majesty of the Sea and Empress of the Sea, but it will be renamed again according to the Cordelia Cruises. Now, very important, where I can go and apply for a job on this cruise ship. Now guys, I have searched everywhere, but the only thing right now I'm finding is this website. So I would request you, please go to this website and send them a mail. This is the email address of the company, and let's hope for the best. And as soon as I get any update where you can go and apply for a job, I will definitely come up with a video and tell you about the website or a email address to apply for a job. Cordelia Cruise Ship. So guys, this was a small video about the update about the cruise ship which is going to come in India. Yes guys, and I know, like I am excited, you all must be excited too, to go on a cruise ship as a passenger and even as a employee to work over there. So guys, I keep making such video and informing you about a cruise ship life. All I want you to do is subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, don't forget that. Alright, so I will make more video and inform you more about cruise ship life. For then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.